Every generation has its gathering, a moment where machines, man, and myth collide, a place where travelers meet innovators and specialties are celebrated.
Oh, shit. We're going to WECFest, boys. You know, I love going to car shows and I love seeing all the cars that are there, the build, the stuff that people put into it. You know, you can see the fruits of their labor after, you know, what, a few years, maybe a few months. But today we're gonna do something a little special. I'm going with my friend Amar, aka Bonita, and we're gonna see who can complete their bingo card first. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Bingo card, Adam, what the hell is that? What are you talking about? It's pretty simple, right? You create a 5x5 grid, and on that sheet, you put items of things that you think you'll see at that show. So, for example, you might put clapped out Honda Civic, if you think you're gonna see that. Or you might put a blue GTI, who knows?
Basically, the rules are simple.
Get a bingo, get a shirt. This might be a good time to tell you about our sponsor, Rush Culture, but more on that later in the video. Now, WECFest is something that I've been trying to go to for years. For some reason, I just haven't gotten myself to be able to commit to it. I'm excited to see what's there.
And so, with valor in his heart, our brave soul journeyed forth, past potholes and questionable parking fees, into the perilous realm of downtown Seattle.
So this is my bingo card. Take a minute, pause the video, feel free to read it. We'll go through my adventure of trying to complete it throughout the day. And here's Bonita's card. It looks way simpler, right? But to be fair, we literally whipped these up in the hallway and he didn't even know what we were doing until I told him right then and there. Okay, so I got... You think those are work wheels? Immediately out the gate, I saw Honda Civic. One of my bingo items was a Honda Civic with work wheels specifically. I don't think so. Unfortunately, it didn't have work wheels, but it had some nice ITBs. In the front room, there was a bunch of cars, like this Supra with the top secret body kit. This absolutely insane green S13. And this was the crazy part. It's just wait, look at this. Look at those headlights, man. Bonkers. I definitely want to make something like these for the Miata. They're just so classy.
That looks like a Beamer interior.
Now we get to one of the coolest cars in the entire show, which is this BMW E30. And it's because it has a clear fuse box. Now, I didn't know that this was a trend. I didn't know that this was a thing. But apparently you can get clear fuse boxes for your car. I want one so bad. Anyways, let's get into the room.
You know what it looks like?
Oh.
It looks like what's it, like a hatchback Corolla, like a new one, like on steroids, like that ass.
While that wasn't a hatchback Corolla, we started to look at the other cars, and then all of a sudden, I crossed off my first item on the list. Did you want an E30 for yourself or what?
Yes, bro. I want one so bad. I want one actually so bad. It's like one of my favorite cars.
Stussy, let's go. Stussy, I got Stussy. And there it was, my first item, a Stussy shirt. We're not just doing cars. Don't get me wrong, we could, but I wanted to be specific. I wanted to figure out who are the people who are coming to these shows. And so I chose Stussy.
You said someone's gonna wear that?
Yeah, I got Stussy on my bingo card. Also, I just found out that it's called Stussy. Don't come for me in the comments, please. Thank you, bye. And then it started picking up. Guy in one shirt. And then one more stutter, so I got that one. And look at that. A blue GTI.
R7.
RX-7, easy. Nailed it. Right next to the blue GTI.
Hey, look.
Oh.
And he's got the lights that match the waves, you know what I'm talking about?
Work wheels.
Dude.
Yeah, good.
Dude.
Cross it off my list, right? I'm getting close. I need two more. I need a Passat and Hot Rod with flame. And we're so close. We have 3 in 1 column and 3 in 1 row. All I need to see is a Passat and a Hot Rod or a Stance Rivian and a Mopar car. Should be easy, right? Right? But the Hot Rod might kill me.
There's no hot rod.
No, don't say there's no Hot Rods. I get this is WECFest, but I really need that for the bingo. Alright, I'm not proud of this one, but I knocked another one off my list.
Tesla?
No, it's anime.
Wait, these guys probably got some better cars.
Okay, so still Hot Rods up there. I need something with a flame. If there's anything with a flame, no, that counts. That counts right there. There's one right there. And that's the Hot Rod. We now have 4 items marked in the B column. We just need the Passat. We're so close I can just taste it. Speaking of tasting too, look at the size on this intake. We were trying to figure out if we could fit our heads in there. I don't know, you tell us. As I scoped out the room to find more things on my bingo list, I came across one of Bonita's friends, Diego. Now, this is Diego's S13. He told me that he built the car himself, painted it, styled it, and really wanted to push himself to get this done. He said he just wanted to make his mark, and I honestly think he did. Pushing yourself to complete a project isn't easy, but he for sure did it. So at this point, I'm well underway with the bingo challenge. You can see on my card, there's a lot of blocks that are already marked off. Now, we don't have that much time at this show, but Bonita is adamant on seeing this S14. He talks for over 15 minutes on what parts he wants for his Zenki, where things are sourced from, what's OEM or not. I mean, I love the passion that this man has for his platform, but we're losing time. And we're losing it fast.
Oh, I think I got some mustard on my lip. You were right from the get-go, dude. I think I put pus on.
The lack of Passats were really hurting my chances. It was time to lock in. The only way I could get a bingo at this point was seeing either TJ Hunt merch or... Wait a second. Am I seeing this right? Do I already have a bingo? I think I missed it. So by my lunchtime, I had a bingo and I didn't realize it. But at this point of the day, I was still looking around the convention hall to find more. And surprisingly, that's when I made some friends. First, I came across a couple of guys with some cameras who were taking some cool photos. They showed me theirs and I showed them mine. And after we exchanged Instagrams, they pointed us to a bright blue Miata.
You got questions, feel free to ask.
Oh, yep. He's a Miata owner.
I told Bonita that this has to be the best car in the hall. When we talked to the people with the Miata, they were super nice and answered all my questions about the car in depth. Like, they spared no detail. It was amazing. They showed the seats that they got that had adjustable headrests.
Yeah, I was gonna say they're basically the stock seat. They just, for some reason, they cut them here.
Yeah.
And then the headrest is.
And I thought that was the coolest thing ever. Just shows you that the community can be a really positive place if you just take a chance and talk to people.
Got a question to ask you. Okay, so I'm doing a bingo card, and one of them says I have to find a Lamborghini with the door that's open. I was wondering if you could open the door for me. Oh yeah, and I can just knock it out. That's it. Yeah, it's gone. Lambo with the door open. I gotta find it. Where'd I put it? Yeah, I got it. Hey, wait, that's no, it's not. Oh, I'm missing one. TJ Hunt merch. I haven't seen that around. I haven't either, but I saw Stussy. I got that one. No, I appreciate it, dude. Thank you.
This guy's name was Jug. He was really nice. As the night progressed, I felt like I was inching towards failure. Bonita and I took a quick break, and after that they called for the award ceremony. The point wasn't to win the game, that was just a side quest. It would be nice. For me, meeting all these people, spending time with friends, and seeing cool builds, all while giving myself a challenge, made for just a great time. And then I found out the results of the bingo right at the end.
Hey guys, does diagonal count as bingo?
I did it. Suck it, nerds. All y'all haters who didn't think I would amount to anything, I did it. It was all me. I'm the winner and you can't see nothing about it. But also, we had another friend who got bingo way before me, so she won the shirt. But I did it. I was able to get bingo. Anyways, Rush Culture is coming out with their first drop end of July. Be sure to check out their collection. Thanks to them again for sponsoring this video. The winner of this challenge is receiving a shirt from that drop. If you'd like to see more content like this, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and keep building.